everybody! Today I will show you an amazing dish that is ketogenic and perfect when you have guests. Here you can see the perfect keto ingredients: 400 grams of beautiful salmon, 8 green olives, 8 cocktail tomatoes, salt, powdered garlic and olive oil. But you will also need parchment paper and kitchen string. Season the fish both sides with salt and garlic. Then cut it in 4 pieces, 1 for every guest and 1 for every parchment paper sheet. As you probably noticed, I use parchment paper instead of the classic foil, made with very thin aluminum, because there are some concerns about how healthy it is to warm it together with food. I'm definitely not an expert, but I prefer to avoid it just in case, but also because parchment paper together with kitchen string looks very cute. It's time to cut in half the 8 green olives and the 8 cocktail tomatoes and to add a couple of them to each piece of salmon. Remember to be creative and to personalize this recipe, so if you prefer bell peppers or anchovies and dill, just go with it and cook your own and unique dish. Before closing your paper with a string, sprinkle your delicious fish with some olive oil. This is an high-fat diet, and I know that it sounds strange and that it is very difficult, especially for people that would like to lose some weight. But this is a very healthy fat, and olive oil should be one of the main ingredients in most of your keto creations. For keeping the fat high enough, I usually serve this dish with my homemade mayo. At the end of this video and in the description below, you will find the easy recipe. It's truly a 5 minutes work and it tastes so much better than processed mayo. Plus, it's prepared with our beloved MCT oil. I like to prepare this dish when I have guests for many reasons, but especially because it is super easy, because the parchment paper will keep it warm for a while, and because by adding a little more veggies, you will cook your main and side dish together. Be very careful when you put the presents on the oven tray. In fact, they must lay down in order not to burn the paper while baking. 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, about 400 Fahrenheit, will be enough to have another perfect and beautiful keto meal. I really hope you like today's super fun dish and you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of you that are already subscribed.